For facilities and security managers, EdgeConnector simplifies access control administration and minimizes installation effort. EdgeConnector provides centralized management and monitoring of physical access rights for all personnel, across all sites, from anywhere, straight out of the box, unlike conventional site-centric systems. The online architecture allows changes to access permissions to take effect instantaneously, no delays when adding new users or revoking existing rights. Security and HR teams benefit from simplified employee access administration. There's no duplication or double maintenance for separate physical and IT access control systems. Existing identity management applications that work with Active Directory for IT access control can now be used for combined IT and physical permission administration. EdgeConnector minimizes installation effort. It makes use of the existing IT user directory and data network. Wirelessly controlled door locks can be fitted to existing doors and server cabinets with little or no modification. Door controllers can make use of Power over Ethernet to reduce the cabling need. EdgeConnector protects people, property and data, streamlining the management of physical access control across the entire organization and enabling location-aware IT access validation by Microsoft Active Directory. To find out more about how EdgeConnector can benefit your organization or to get in touch, visit our website edgeconnector.com.